upgraded to the next high bouquet for 2 months to spend more time hanging out with all your favorite cartoon friends on our amazing Kiddie channel.
Pretty incredible, right?
Enjoy more adventure, more action, and more fun on Baby TV, CBeebies, Jim Jam, ST Kids, ST Tunes, Toonami, Cartoon, and Boing. Renew your subscription today and get upgraded to Jingle with the Stars.
And I like it that way.
Download the Star Times On app to enjoy all your favorite kids shows on the go. Star Times, enjoy digital life.
Getembe Television, Ekeonga, Kiamamogusi.
Ijumaa tariki 4 Machi mutinyo iga 12 mwaka wigana manga birga koneki gwa kurase kaunti ya Kisii, kaunti ya Nyamira wike kaunti ya Nairobi, chinga kibariki baito ba mangana maya babigite kambi kurwa achinsemo okwarigani ase Ekeonga Chisa Isano Ibere cyabona mugasonkoro kwa Kevin Onkoba kabane cyo komori. Ekeonga Chisa Isano Ibere nigo togo chakurwa sansemelia yo obochenu ritko liarero nigo egati abanyigitalia na murkurwa sansemelia bateresa babere bagotemna nigo barachikogenda umugiro wabo kubatkana amo ne serikali tari kuigwa amagani yabo korengana amo na barabo nigo batemna mbana konyora bese yabo nabo igo egati ya aba Teresa gusaba nyigitalia baiga bari bagokora emirimo yabo mbaranya ko bakinigwa asenseme yugose ekerenge kama uchekende ento babiro temna nigo barachikogenda asomugiro wike serikali yabirige kuigwa amagani yabo.
NHIF, the clinic officers were allowed to register their facilities, but when Dr. Abdi and his team sat illegally against the SHA Act, against the Health Act, against the Clinic Officers Act, they decided they are not going to empanel and contract facilities by clinic officers. We deny. And this means that more than 6 million Kenyans cannot be able to access health services.
And you know what we have been paid? We have been paid nothing for the 4 months. The ministry, which is full of PR, on Saturday the CS made a press conference saying she deposited and she has paid the interns in full. We want to tell you media houses, that that's not true.
Now Humicha reduced to 70,000, which was a stipend. Up to now, as we talk today, others have received that money, but like personal, it's like 33,000 in a month, which is wrong because we agreed to 70,000.
Interns have been in the field without pay, and right now, the court has given us 90 days to have a conversation with them. And secondly, His Excellency the President set up a task force to look into all the issues regarding the interns. It is important to note that the government is committed. This week, we have released the intern stipend as set by the SRC. The court has directed that we are given 9.
Wanchimura tukwina na asense mwende kubatkana amono kubruwa kubulendi nigo egati ya abarai anamono babiri bakubuli serikali guchya kwane kingo chibari kuligirelia elikwane kinga obulendi babiri bakwane kigwa chinga kichiga chimega Yesu gukum okwana chinga kichiboigo nigo egati ya abanyanyimbo babiri bakubeke mirobulisene yakwane kingo chibari gukora amariogo yogo tindia yabirega kwira basaba ngo sononi asebikore bibusari.
Olanya as a population we are exceeding plus our institutions. We are talking of 20,000. Kwa sababu mashule zetu zikifunguliwa, a population of 5,000 within the complex. Na wakazi wetu, we will find a population reach to 20,000. Na idadi ya maafisa wetu hapa Kolanya ni wachache sana. Idadi nafikiri ni maafisa 4 tu wako station. Leo hii kule kwa ofisi nimeomba na bado nazidi kuomba. Tukipata police station Kolanya, na kabla tupate police station maafisa waongezwe hapa Kolanya, kwa sababu we want to maintain that security within Kolanya as a general.
Ningeomba tu ya kwamba nyinyi wananchi wa hapa kupitia community policy, sababu nimeona iko hapa watu ya nyumba 10 na pia village elders, tukisaidiana ma chiefs na assistant chief, sisi sote tuungane tupigane na haya maneno ambayo ni mbaya. Chief hapa na machiefs. Kwa nini mnaweka wao watu wao vile elders na wanafanya maneno? Sababu nimeangalia, mimi ni mgeni hapa lakini nimeangalia hivi. Kuna wengine wanafanya hiyo maneno. Ningeomba hivi. Chief, sio naona mimi ni mgeni hapa lakini nimesikia wananchi wanasema wanafanya, kwa nini wanafanya na mnapea hiyo kazi? Ndio unapea kazi sikumu OCS na sisi wote wakati tunafanya hiyo kazi, ndio. So ninawasi kama unafanya maneno tutaandamana na nyinyi.
Location hii administrators wetu wanajaribu, lakini wazee wetu na wazee wanaenda kwa locations zingine mahali hiyo kitu iko. We are pleading mambo ya pombe haramu eradicate, mambo ya bangi. Wateso watoto hawakujua kuvuta bangi, lakini siku hizi wanatafuna bangi vile wanatafuna viazi. Kwa hivyo mtusaidie. So changa dens, we know them, iwe eradicated. Another one is theft. Kwa watoto wetu ambao wako wanaenda kwa mashule because of the
Mwanchumuri achinga kiaganda tukani kigwa kurwa senseme yo nigo muraibugensi ya Kenya Muske Dr. William Samoei Ruto nyakobokirana ase University ya Scott yotoka sensemeria ye county ya Machakos mnenchiremo yo kwanekinga abaro kigwa kurwa senseme yo babirwa kubekirwa egotwa okwana achinga kecho nigo Muske Ruto aberika otamna ni gabe getemiro bulisene yogochia kwanekinga aberika okina ebirengo bitseme.
Higher education funding to better serve all stakeholders, leaving no student behind, and making university education a universally accessible good. I know for a fact, and I have been briefed here, that this university suffered from the old model's deficiencies, and that today the government of Kenya owes this university upwards of 460 million. I know it has done big damage to this university. And that is why I took the responsibility to sort out the challenges that bedeviled the old model. The old model almost brought many of our universities to closure. I know this university suffered a great deal. I am aware that this university was temporarily closed for a few months. And it was not right, because we were responsible for the huge debt of 460 million owed to this university. And it is the reason why it cannot be business as usual. We cannot continue the way we have been doing before. It is not right that we continue a model that has created huge debts. And that is why I am deliberate, I am intentional, and I am focused on making sure that we have a model that does not again take our university education to where we have it with 120 billion debt. I am very clear in my mind, and I have worked with all the vice chancellors to make sure that we have a model that makes university education accessible but
Mwanchumuri chinga kiaganda tukani kigwa kurwa senseme yo nigo omu inspector general monebo banyimbo Muske Gilbert Masengeli aberika gwesoke na otamna nigo arachikwanekia obulendi chinga kechiga chimega yesuguku okwana chinga kechiboigo nigo Masengeli aberika otamna nigo babegetemiro bulisene yogo chikwanekia obulendi achinsemo chiria chigenda tukane kigwa chisegi anamono igoro yoboibi bwetu.
This sixth commemorative service in honor of the current officers who paid the ultimate prize in the brave execution of their duties. Sir, this event, which is held annually, has brought together the families of the fallen officers, members of the National Police Service, Kenya Prison Service, and public to acknowledge their bravery, dedication, and service to the nation. Your Excellency, this event serves as a reminder of the shared responsibilities to honor, protect and support one another. It preaches the past, present, and the future of policing while emphasizing the values of service, sacrifice, and solidarity. Thank you very much for joining us. Today we gather here not to mourn, but to honor and celebrate the lives of brave men and women who made their ultimate sacrifice in the line of duty. These officers served with unwavering courage, integrity, commitment, dedication to ensuring the safety of our communities. Their dedication to protecting others, even at the cost of their own lives, reflects our profession's highest ideals, a choice that all uniformed men and women make day in, day out, each day. To the families of our fallen officers, we are deeply humbled by your presence here today. We all know that the pain of your loss is immeasurable, and no words can fully capture the depth of our gratitude for the sacrifice your loved ones made for the nation. Please know that their legacy lives on in our hearts, and we consider you as part of our police family. The names
Raitu manchumuri uji akurukwanga Gilbert Masengeli oyoro mokonyi bomu inspector omonene gosomu inspector general boba nyimbo asansemi ya sabirika ukwanira ikoro yobolindi kulende ayemona anda mangi tosange chikuraga Chisa 10 chabana magaro.